Welcome to Excellence in Excel. I'm Nick Wong, and in this video we're going to focus on how to create our own list here. So for example, here we want to have a drop-down list. However, right now there's nothing here. We click on it, nothing. And what we want to do is we want to get the sales agent's name from this tab here of agents, but we have it here from the full name. And how we get this full name is by concatenation. So we use a concatenated formula where we enter the first name and last name that automatically generates a full name value. So how can we do that here? Well, very simple. Let me show you exactly what we need to do. First of all, we need to indicate in Excel that this is a list. So what we will do is we just select all of these and we just say this is agent list. We type in agent list with a capital. Not necessary. If you want it small, also possible. Everything is possible. Just make sure how you write it, be consistent in it. So now we have this here, and this is our agent list, as you can see here when you select this. So Excel recognizes this list. Next, we go to the records here, and in here in the record we have the sales agent where we want to put in the drop down function. Let's select the first cell first. This cell here, B2, will be used. We just click on data. Then we go to data validation. I'm going to search here for validation. You can see here data validation. We can just click on that. And once we click on that, we can use here the options. It says here validation criteria. We just select list. And once you selected that, just put in here the source. You can select here. Just type in equal, and then you can say or enter the list name. In this case, we had agent list with small letter, only capital letter A. Make sure you remember this. Press OK to confirm, and then let's see what happens. Now we have our list, and we can select Mike Johnson, for example. And then let's see what we can do more is, of course, what we want to do now is, of course, just select them all. What we can do here probably is very simple. Selecting this and here, and then no, that does not work. And the reason why it doesn't work is probably this doesn't read functions. So that means we can just select all of these, do exactly the same here in data validation, select list, and then we say here equal agent list as well. Okay, confirm. Let's see what happens. Now you can select who sold which real estate unit here and on what date. And this is perfect. So you can see Richard Langley sold it, and Sally Hendricks, and of course Mike Johnson. So this is how you can do it. And what happened, of course, if you change this, so let's say it's not Mike, but we call this it's called Ricky Johnson. Alright, once we did that, you can see it's still maintained here, but now the selection has changed here as well. So this is how you can create your own drop-down list in Excel.